The market is at a crossroads, and where it goes next has big implications across asset classes. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete global indices roundup for July 26th. It is a split session across global markets. Traders are reacting to news that Brent crude hits $100 as Middle East tensions escalate. Crypto briefing. Let us go region by region across the major global indices. Starting with the Americas session. S&P 500 is little changed, hovering near $7,411.98. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Market Movers blog. Us markets hit reverse amid concerns over oil and megacap tech results. Investment week. NASDAQ 100 is down -1.15%, trading at $28,128. Investor sentiment is being shaped by NASDAQ lags on angst over RE spending ahead of earnings reports. The Detroit News. Dow Jones is trading higher by +0.46%, at $51,947. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. Starting with the Europe session. DAX is up +1.36%, trading at €25,099. Traders are reacting to news that Brent crude hits $100 as Middle East tensions escalate. Crypto briefing. FTSE 100 is trading higher by +0.91%, at £10,736. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin buy. What's moving markets. Starting with the Asia session. Nikkei 225 dropped sharply -2.73% to 64,611 yen. The move in the dollar reflects reports that monetary policy decisions. European Central Bank. Hang Seng is trading lower by -0.98%, at 24,963 Hong Kong dollars. This comes as gold, silver, rare earths, and copper, public companies present at the -23 Precious Metals and Critical Minerals Virtual Investor Conference. Yahoo Finance, adding pressure to energy markets. Kospi made a dramatic move today, plunged -5.72% to 6,690.62 Korean wons. Investor sentiment is being shaped by NASDAQ lags on angst over RE spending ahead of earnings reports. The Detroit News. Nifty 50 is trading lower by -0.43%, at 23,767 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Market Movers blog. Us markets hit reverse amid concerns over oil and megacap tech results. Investment week. Sensex is trading lower by -0.43%, at 76,060 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Market Movers blog. Us markets hit reverse amid concerns over oil and megacap tech results. Investment week. ASX 200 dipped -0.75% to $8,772.30. This comes as gold, silver, rare earths, and copper, public companies present at the -23 Precious Metals and Critical Minerals Virtual Investor Conference. Yahoo Finance, adding pressure to energy markets. Now, a look at some of India's most active stocks in the news today. Wipro is up +1.32%, trading at 177.12 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Market Movers blog. Us markets hit reverse amid concerns over oil and megacap tech results. Investment week. AI services revenue, particularly enterprise AI implementation projects, is the emerging differentiation story. The EBIT margin target of 17 to 17.5% is on track. Watch U.S. financial services deal activity as the indicator of whether demand is genuinely recovering. Bajaj Finance is down -2.60%, trading at 1,012.80 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Yahoo are using leverage to boost FCNR/B deposits under RBI's special window. See News. AUM growth guidance and credit cost assumptions are the two numbers that drive the stock. Any upgrade to AUM guidance signals demand confidence. Any deterioration in 90-plus day delinquencies is the early warning. The cross-sell ratio, products per customer, is the moat metric to track. Now let us look at what is driving these moves at the macro level. On the geopolitical front, Traders are reacting to news that Brent crude hits $100 as Middle East tensions escalate, crypto briefing. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. And looking at how some of the biggest global names are trading today. SAP surged plus 9.26% to €140.20 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that SAP stock jumps as earnings beat eases RE fears, barons. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for SAP sits around €148.61. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. Rocket Lab made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 8.69% to $63.91. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Rocket Lab has a $1.1 billion backlog, 50-plus successful launches, and Neutron due in 2026 is RKLB a buy at $117. Trading key. Government launch contracts with the US DoD provide baseline revenue visibility. The Electron rocket utilization rate is the near-term earnings driver. Any contract win announcement or NASA mission assignment would be a meaningful positive catalyst. Neutron program milestones are the re-rating event the market is waiting for. Samsung plunged minus 7.59% to 249,500 Korean wons in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any Nvidia or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. Let us give you our near-term view on the Kospi. The technical picture for Kospi has deteriorated. The 6,289.18 Korean won's level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. To summarize, 6 indices in the green, 7 in the red today. A clear risk-off tone is prevailing across global equities. Here is your market watchlist heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your global indices roundup from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily updates across every major market.